This is our last. Can y'all see? Alright, y'all. This is our last record. This Sunday morning. It's our last recording in Atlanta. Train in Atlanta, and we'll have it again by next year. We don't know for sure yet. And
there will be enough female justices on the Supreme Court when there are.
This is our last one. It's our last record. So I'll have to we'll probably at church. So when after church we're going at Columbus. So we're gonna probably come back visit next year, something like that. Maybe I don't know yet. Depends how my parents feels. We'll see.
The president promises to nominate a woman and wants swift confirmation. Before the election is his hope, and as part of that push, the president could announce his third Supreme Court nominee as early as
what do two? I don't do my last one.
Both the White House and the Senate majority have a moral duty to fulfill the
I ain't time to do a project and do both at the same time. I did do one at a time last night and this morning. So just let you know, it's my last record from today, and we'll probably on the way to Columbus. So it's an hour drive to get to Columbus, Georgia. Go back home, my town home, and then look some trains after church this evening. See. I mean, they know I'm coming back. They know we're coming. You know, my church. They know we're coming back safely to Columbus. You know, my church. They know. They know I'll be back in Columbus very soon. Not until 11 after 12. You know, the church before 12 or after 12. So, wow. Yeah.
Change the subject from the president's coronavirus mismanagement. With us this Sunday to kick off the conversation and share their reporting and their insights. CNN's Caitlin Collins, Louis Davis with the New York Times, and NPR.
So I might still record Trains Columbus this month, this week. Still this month. Still this month. So last film today, and I hope. Alright, guys. Thank y'all for watching, and hope y'all have a blessed Sunday morning. Blessed Sunday morning. If y'all on y'all way to church or something like that. Our church will be open. Our church Columbus still open. And I hope y'all have a blessed one as well. And we continue until next year. So I'm out of here. Peace out. Subscribe, whatever. It's up to y'all. Be blessed. Peace. I'm out of here.